Oh my god. He seems to really enjoy it. Yeah. So our little Susie cat, she has gotten some aches and pains, we believe. And I think she has arthritis, some form of it. Because every time she jumps somewhere, when she lands, she starts licking her joints, especially in these joints and this joint, and also her hip. So she's very antisocial. She just lies there all day, which is kind of a shame. Before we got Oliver, she was very, I don't want to say very active, but she went around in the room and she didn't lie all day like she does now. So we went to WebMD and checked out a couple of things to do, and one of the things that might help is fish oil. So we're gonna buy some of that and also try a new food that has fish in it, and we're gonna try and do a little bit of massage on her. I don't know if that will actually work. We're gonna see if it helps. So every once in a while she jumps on my lap, and that's a golden opportunity to give her massages. So we talked to the vet and they said that we could give her some medicine, but she already has kidney problems. So I don't think that's an option because the medicine for arthritis was also damaging to her kidneys. So we're just gonna try the oil and see if that helps. So off we go. You start knocking and I let it go. Don't know why it's all my fault. You're on your own. I won't remember what you take. I'm sailing away. I'll run away and end your games. I'm afraid of helping. And look what I found. La Linea. If you remember that. They do have a vegan one, but I can't find it. All of these contain milk, so that sucks. Good morning, guys. So, I'm gonna show you something. And that is this. It's a piece of salmon that I'm cooking for my cat, Susie. Yeah, that's Susie. Glad of the day? I think she can smell it. We started noticing that Susie has gotten problems with her feet. And yeah, isn't that nice, Susie? And she has gotten a little bit twitchy when she tries to jump. So we've gotten her fish oil. See if I can find it. And that's supposed to help. And I'm also trying to give her fish. So it was, I have to say, it was very weird to go to the store. I'm gonna turn it on the other side. Very weird to go to the store and actually buy fish as a vegan. It's been over 3 years since I've been eating animal products, and it's been so long. When I went to the store, I was like, where did they have fish again? I can't remember. Was it near the milk? Where was it? And I actually had to think a little bit before I remembered. Oh yeah, probably the frozen section. Hold on. And there it was. And that's just weird buying it and weird finding it. So coming home with a piece of fish is, I don't know, it's kind of weird. You know, it's for the cats, so it's fine. And hopefully it will help Susie. So I don't know how long I'm supposed to cook it. I've heard that even though they are carnivores, we should cook their food. and I don't know why. Before, when we got her, we gave her a little bit of fish, raw, but I heard that that you should cook it before you give it to the cats. And I can't remember why, but so I'm just gonna do it. It doesn't harm them. Oh, and another thing. My computer decided to not be able to charge. So this charger doesn't work anymore. It is so frustrating. So we've tried trying different plugs all over the house, and it still doesn't work. So the computer works, it just doesn't want to charge. And my exam, my 5 exams is in 3 weeks, and it is so frustrating because all my notes is on my computer. So I've got that going for me right now. And also my phone, I dropped it in the toilet. So that stopped working for a couple of days, and then it started working again. It seems to be okay now, but I'm just waiting for it to be broken. And also my Mac has been very, very slow for months. So I'm just waiting for that to stop working also. I mean, I can't wait till the exams is over. And I'm also starting, by the way, in my job again. 2nd season of Aber Bergen. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. We're not allowed to film the scenery and stuff like that, but I'll try and sneak in the camera and see what I can do. See if I can film some of the people working there. So I'm gonna give them the fish now and see how it turns out. I don't know if I should leave the skin. I mean, they are cats, so they're probably gonna eat it. So I'm just gonna take it away. So I've got my bowls ready, and Oliver is ready for the second breakfast. They just got their breakfast, but we're gonna try fish now and see if they want it. And of course, if we're gonna give Susie, we have to give Oliver. Oh my god. He seems to really enjoy it. Yeah. Susie does that too. When it's too big, she takes it out of the bowl, drops it on the floor, which is why I cut them up, because I thought that they could actually eat them. Because last time when I gave her fish, I gave her the whole thing, and she dragged it along the tile in the whole house. It was disgusting. So I cut it up into smaller pieces, but apparently they are not small enough because they keep dragging it with them. Oliver, du har det i skålen. Gud. Här är ni. Ta fötter. I think the pieces might be too big for her. Oliver doesn't seem to care though. Finish.